Salesforce.com is built entirely on Web 2.0 principles and therefore can integrate with almost any kind of web application. One example of this is integrating with something like Twitter, being able to maybe pull relevant Twitter information into Salesforce so that you can get better information about your accounts or your contacts. Now, this can be done by switching back and forth between your own Twitter account and Salesforce, but a company called Maven Consulting has actually come up with a live Twitter gadget that you can install directly into your account screen without even having a Twitter account set up. When you're ready to install this application, you can simply hit Get It Now. Before I do that, I can see the instructions down here on how to set it up. It's a very simple setup process, and we'll walk through that now. So as an administrator, I'm going to click Get It Now, and I'm going to install this directly into my production Salesforce instance. Once I'm ready to install it, I put in my password, and I can go through the terms and conditions and get ready to install. Now, Salesforce is going to let me know exactly what's going to be installed with this new Twitter gadget. And I can see all of the package installation details. Once I've reviewed this, hit Continue, Next, and I can determine who is going to have access to this. I'm going to grant access to all users, but if I wanted to be more specific, say only allow sales users to have access to this, I simply select my security settings by profile and I can determine who will have access to this package. I'm going to hit Next and Install. And once this new gadget has been installed, Salesforce will notify me and I'll be ready to use it. Now, based on the instructions that we saw on the App Exchange, I need to do a couple things first before I can install this gadget. First, I need to go into my security controls, my remote site settings, and I'm going to set up a new remote site to have access to. In this particular situation, I'll call this my Twitter website that I'd like to have access to, and hit Save. And this is going to allow me to access this remote site. Once that's done, now I just need to add these new fields onto my account page and I'm ready to use the Twitter gadget. So I'm going to go into Customize, Accounts, go into my page layouts, and hit Edit. So the first step is to take the new field of keywords. So I have my Twitter keywords here. I'll just drag that down. And then what I might do is create a brand new section, and we'll call this my Twitter information. We'll make it one column in size. And going through the Visualforce page, I can see the new gadget is ready for me. So I'm going to drag and drop that into the Twitter information area. And we can resize this so that we have a nice big space to view all of the feeds. And that's it for the setup. Now, once I hit Save, I can start to use this gadget. So how does this work exactly? Well, if I go into my, my accounts and we look, for example, at a recent account that I've been working on, I can now go in and put in some key Twitter keywords. So maybe Dreamforce, CRM, and Salesforce. Now, once I've done that, again, without even having a Twitter account, it's going to automatically log in and show me some live tweets as they become available. You'll notice there's a pause button in case I want to freeze it in a particular area. So I'm now going to be able to see all of the live tweets that are coming through automatically into Salesforce. Again, this is available completely free of charge and can be installed by any administrator into Salesforce.